Working from home is all about having the right mindset. It's about shifting the way you think about work, and it's about training yourself to be able to operate with an incredible focus. Without someone looking over your shoulder or structuring your day, it's all too easy to fall into bad habits. It's important to gain the correct mindset that will help you to tackle this unique challenge in the best way possible. This step-by-step guide will show you how to successfully work from home, become more productive, get more done, all without going crazy. Here are what you will learn in this guide. How to create accountability and stakes to motivate yourself to work. How to tackle tasks and structure your workflow for maximum productivity. How to introduce positive habits that keep you happy, healthy, and focused. How to optimize your health, well-being, and other self-care tips. How to use amazing apps that let you do more and save a huge amount of time. How to create a perfect home office. What makes a productive office, what you should avoid, and what you should implement. How to start each day feeling charged and ready to go. How to take maximum advantage of the work-from-home lifestyle in order to spend more time doing what you love. Why you should eat the whole frog first thing in the morning. How to overcome writer's block. We all know it's a struggle trying to write or create. Follow these tips and tricks to help you overcome writer's block. Tools and software to help you collaborate with other team members. How to organize your workspace for productivity. How to deal with isolation and loneliness working from home. And much, much more.